We rockin' Lakeside, 119 to 103rd. Welcome to my battlefield.
It's going down today, man. We here promoting Killer Bird, label DME. If y'all don't know what DME stand for, designer music, you heard me? Y'all see what the fuck going on, man. Designer niggas, you understand me? It been a while, but we back, you feel me? You know, it's still FAN, fucking nigga, as always. DME right now, you feel me?
Big Z shit.
Big Z shit. Y'all look out for that new single. What's it called, Bird?
Time is motherfucking money. Time is money. Let's get this money, man.
The whole crew getting money, not just one of us. Y'all gonna run that up on all platforms.
The YouTube channel, Killer Bird Music, man. Music spelled M-U-S-I-K.